What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching this video from so I can better connect with you. But very quickly, I wanted to come on live, especially if you're actually watching this on YouTube or you are tuning in through Facebook, because recently I did a post on my um, social, and probably might be seeing like I've been promoting like YouTube automation business a lot because this is the business model that I'm really into, and I believe anyone can start earning income from the comfort of their home without any special skills or knowledge, right? So I will be showing you two channels that we currently have been building, and pretty much it is earning somewhere between $1,000 all the way up to $3,000 on a monthly basis. And because we have a lot of channels, actually we creating a lot of channels, we have actually decided to sell these two channels. So any of you who is thinking about starting their own faceless channel, you can actually just reach out to me, and that way I can just share with you the actual channel. But in this video I will be showing you the analytics of the channel, how much this channel has actually made, so you can actually see for yourself. This is not some sort of like fake numbers or results. This is all real numbers in real time, so you can see for yourself, right? Any of you who is wondering what is YouTube automation business model, so it is a business model where you have team in place. That team pretty much creates the videos, and we have video editors, we have voiceover artists, we have thumbnail designers, we have script writers, right? And all of these team are actually creating videos for us, right? So but because of so much AI technology, we are using AI. So we're not using voiceover artists, we're not using thumbnail designers at this stage, because all of those things are outsourced by AI, right? So it's just an awesome time that we're actually living in. And I believe anyone can start generating income from the comfort of their home using their AI tools, right? You can also use AI to write you script. You can use AI to pretty much do the whole entire thing, like video editing and like the whole thing, right? So you don't even need a team in place, right? However, the channel I'm going to be showing you, we have a team in place, but it also comes with the step-by-step guide, right? So if you decide not to hire the team, you can pretty much do everything on your own, right? Using the AI stuff, right? So let me share with you the screen so I can just jump and start showing you the analytics and everything, so you can see for yourself. Like, this is real channel that we actually we've been able to build, and so you can just take advantage of this, right? So first channel is pretty much this channel here. So July we started this channel, and or any of our channel, we start with the already monetized channel, right? So we don't like to just create video and get paid nothing. We want to start our channel and start earning from day one, right? So this is the channel that we started uploading in July, $157. August we made $533.49. In September, like I said, we pretty much got this channel in the algorithm. So any of you who is looking to get this channel, just reach out to me and I'll be able to send you the whole channel link so you can see for yourself, right? So pretty awesome channel. And each video is, if you, for example, if you hire a team, each video probably going to be costing you like between $7 to $15, I'd say, give or take. And pretty much pretty awesome channel with low competition. Another channel that we have is we started this channel back in April. So $77 first month. Second month spiked up to 3,200. And this is the time that I was actually focusing on the channel. June dropped down because I wasn't uploading. We were not uploading that much. July went up to 2,600. August went up to 1,600. So September is like 513. but definitely this channel has a lot of potential. This channel, we have a bigger channel in this same niche, and pretty much we're getting somewhere between $5 to $10 RPM, right? So after YouTube takes its cut, we're getting somewhere between $5 to $10. So pretty awesome niche. And those are the two channels that we currently have are for sale. So if you're actually looking to, start up a already monetized channel, you can just get this channel, and you don't need to do a lot of testing. We already done the testing, we already know what's working. So once you get the channel, you can pretty much start creating videos based on my recommendation, so that way you can actually scale this channel to whatever number you want, right? So most of the time people, they would just want to make like 100 to 300 $500 a day, so that way they can get to that like $10,000-$11,000 a month. And this channel that I actually showed you has the potential to be able to do that, right? Any of you who is getting on this video and you don't even know like what YouTube automation business model is, it's a very popular business model. And I started this business model like back in 2017, 2018. And pretty much first year I struggled with this business model because I didn't have the right strategy, I didn't have the right mentor, I didn't have the right guidance, I didn't have the right blueprint, right? And once I got the right guidance, that's when I started creating videos, and that's when I started making money from this awesome business model, right? So first thing you have to do is find the mentor who is doing what you want to do. And once you actually find the mentor, once you start getting results, don't be scared to invest in your knowledge. And that's where most people actually are lacking, right? They're just pretty much scared to invest in themselves, right? So whoever is getting the results, make sure I reach out to them and ask for the guidance, so that way they can share with you, and that way you can get to your dream life as soon as possible, right? So again, thank you so much. I'll leave all the links in the description so I can click and connect to me, and that way we can chat more. God bless, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.